Hi everybody, it's Lisa. I'm going to do another video today. I'm going to try my spinner again today, so we'll see how that turns out. Okay, first off, here's my painting from my last video. Used the spinner, turned out really good. I really like this one, all dried really nice, really pretty. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is use my little strainer and I'm gonna pour into this, and when I get enough, then I'm gonna spin it out and see what happens. So today my colors are going to be Deco Art Primary Yellow, Artist Loft Aqua Green, Artist Loft Deep Magenta, oops, Artist Loft Copper, and Artist Loft Metallic Orange. So we'll see how these go together, if I don't make a mess and dump something over. And I have some white if I need a flow extender. We'll see how it goes. All right. It's been a week since New Year's Eve, so I hope everybody, first week, it's going good for everybody. First week of the new year is going well. I hope everybody had a good New Year's. This is a 12 by 12 canvas for Michael's. I usually get all my canvas from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I have both of those stores. I live in a small town. The state capital is about 35 miles from me, so I usually get all my canvas from there. And so I'll just keep repeating these colors until I think that I have enough showing to be able to spin it out nice. Probably have to use some white as a flow extender to get it to flow or to spin out nice. My husband and I didn't do much New Year's Eve. We're lucky if we can stay awake that long. But we're old. I'm old. He's not. I happen to be 8 years older than my husband, so. But everybody thinks that he's older than I am. It just kills him. I think one more round ought to do it. Then we'll pick it up. We'll get rid of the strainer and see how it goes. One more good round like this. I really like my colors, I think. Maybe I'm not even or level. I thought I got it level. I usually always use my level to make sure my canvas and everything is level. I'm going to use up this copper because I had it mixed from another pour, so I want to use it up. Okay. Looks like we're going jinky here. I hope my canvas will stay on here. I don't have it taped or anything, so if I can pick this up out of the middle thing, kind of turn it a little bit, get a good center going. There we go, over there. I should have put my hand under that. I don't want that leaking, going off over that way too much. move this. Let's see how much white I have in here. See if I can get enough out of here. Probably not. I think it's about empty. Oh, it's about empty on that one. I have some more here. I'm sorry, Trix, am I stepping on your tail? My little puppy dog has to be right wherever I'm at, and I think I got her tail. There we go. Now let's see here. Let's bring this out a little bit. This way. Okay, working on a limited area here. Give it a torch. All right, I hope that everything stays in place. Hope my canvas doesn't go off. Give it a little spin to begin with. Oh! I think this is going everywhere. Let's move it up some. There we go. I don't know if this is going to turn out the way that I wanted or not. Not enough bright colors over on the other side, I don't think. Let's see about tipping some of it off. If it'll go. Probably not. There's not a whole lot of color on there on the other side, is there? Let's see what we can do. I like this part right in here very much, but over here, not so much. I've got to change my paper on my spinner. So let's see if we can tilt some of this off over here. I'm not really liking all that dark. Let's see what this is. It's spun really nice, but not sure about it. Let's see. Make sure I have the edges all covered. It's kind of all right, but I don't know about it. What do you guys think? Be pretty with a peacock painted on it. A peacock head, and this would be the feathers back here. That would be nice. Maybe I can do that with it. I think that's what I'll do. I think I'll leave it like this, and then when it's dry, I can do a peacock. I think that would work really well. Let me get my hands wiped off. I don't want to step on my dog again. There we go. Give it another torch. See if I can get this out of the way without messing the painting up. There we go. All right, I want to get this up. My spinner out of the way. Get that wiped off some. Keep it. All right, okay, here's a close-up. I think that'll look really good with a peacock head and the feathers going up on it. Because I think this right here going down like this, it looks like peacock feathers. So I think that's what it'll come out to be. Leave me a comment, please, and let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think, if it will look good with a peacock painted on it. And for these bright ones, the peacocks start here and the head go up here, and all this be his feathers. So come on, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think about that, or whether it should be a paint over, okay? Thank you for watching today. Subscribe if you haven't already. I hope everybody has a lot better 2021 than a 2020 or a 2021. Share with your family and friends. I sure would appreciate it. I love all my subscribers. I am so glad you're here with me. I have such fun doing this. And if there's anything you want me to do for you personally, all my information is down in the drop box. Just get a hold of me and we'll see what we can work out. And as always, every time I say, please have a great day.